Okay, friends, for our art center today, we're going to make our favorite story from Goldilocks. So I'm going to do the baby bear. I'm going to use this tracer. You all have one of these too. And then I'm going to use some paint. Now, you can use paint or you can use crayons or colored pencils or markers. You use whatever you want to do your activity. So I'm going to get a little bit of brown paint. I'm going to start painting my baby bear. Okay, so I'm painting him. Now at home, you might want to put a paper under this if you're painting, because if I get it on my table, I'm going to have to wipe that all up. But that's okay. I'll wipe it when we're done. But it might be a good idea to put a paper under it. See how I got a little bit on my table? You might want to put a paper under yours. So painting baby bear. And I'll keep going. I'm not going to do the whole thing because I know you want to get started painting your activity too. Okay, so I'm painting. And I'm going to finish painting him brown. But for now, let's take a look at his face. So I'm actually going to mix a little bit of my brown with a little of this color. A little tan. Oh, I think I put a little too much brown. But just to make a little tan. Okay? And I'm going to do my best. And I'm going to make his mouth area. Okay? So kind of making like a little snout, I guess. Okay? And then on there, I'm going to put a little bit of black to make a nose. Okay? And then I'm going to do my bear's eyes. Remember, I'm just doing my best. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to take a little bit of pink. And I'm going to make the bear's little mouth. Okay. Now, friends, I'm going to cut some construction paper to make little ears for my baby bear. Okay, so I have my brown paper. And I'm going to cut 2 ears for my bear. Okay, and I'm going to glue them on. Oh, I need to pull down a little bit. Sorry, friends. It was out of the frame. There you go. I'm going to pull down. Okay, I'm going to put just a dot, not a lot, of my glue. So I'm going to put glue here and glue here. Okay, I'm going to press them on the back of my bear's head. And I'm going to take my pink paint. I'm going to add a little pink. Now, remember, you're doing your favorite character, so you might also want to do baby bear. Or you could do the mommy bear, or the daddy bear, or you could do Goldilocks. So you're going to use your tracer and make your favorite character. And remember, friends, you don't have to use paint. You can use colored pencils or crayons or markers and just do your very best job. Now, I'm also going to need you to save this because you're going to need it for the writing center as well. All right, friends, see you soon.